Hey YouTube, this is the start of the Bama game vlog.
Holy shit. I got a bad girl, let me bang like Kirk Cole. Take him down to the first floor.
Okay, so it's Friday, okay, the day before the game. I didn't just leave, but earlier today I'm dressed like this because I had a luncheon with my, it was like a professional meet student type of luncheon type of thing, but you know, anyway, that's besides the point. So I had that, and then I had to go to work. Then I left work, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't have any boots, and it's supposed to be cold. So I went and got some boots, some regular black boots, because look, your girl not trying to break the bank right now, okay? So I got some regular black boots, and I picked up this clear purse, which is really cute. I just got it from a beauty supply store, like not Sally's, but like the beauty supply stores that be in random places. Yes, I went to one of those and they had like the clear purses or whatever. I'm gonna show that to you guys whenever I get back to my dorm. But currently there is so much traffic, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make it back there within 30 minutes. So, tent over there. This is what I'm talking about right here, these tents. And then there's like RVs that are parked in another parking lot. It's about to be lit, you guys. It's about to be lit. Hey, you guys. So I forgot to tell you guys that I don't know if I did tell you guys. I don't know. But I'm flat ironing my hair, and I just got through blow drying it. And I haven't flat ironed my hair in a year. And I'm very pleased with the growth. And again, all the products that I use will be in the description box like all the time. And then when I come back, I'm about to flat iron, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished flat iron. Hey guys, so I'm done flat ironing my hair. It's pretty cool. I only ran through it one time. I'm gonna like curl it, bump it, whatever you want to say, in the morning. But yeah, this is, okay, link check, hold on. This is how long it is. It's kind of like, what would you call this? Would you call this bra strap? I don't know. Whatever. Hey YouTube, it is game day. I almost forgot to film. I'm not even gonna lie. I done already curled my hair, and I'm doing my makeup right now. And then we're gonna just walk around campus. I'm gonna show you my outfit, all of that good stuff. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we made it to the tailgate.
Gang, 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 gang,
Gang, gang. You ain't got nothing to say?
I ain't got nothing to say right now. Maybe in a
We
little
on our
while.
way to the tailgate, you guys. Kaya, Ebony. Hey. Jay.
Crazy about it.
I know.
Look, you can see it. Switch up. It's right here.
The train coming through, jigger train coming through. Okay, the train coming through. You better start that line. I see you, Victoria's Secret. I'm not that excellent.
Throwing the food over there. They said he cutting up. What up, Shag?
We are leaving the tailgate.
Yes. Go fucking Tigers.
Go fucking Tigers. I drunk, but y'all, like I'm telling y'all, I do not get drunk. Like, I don't know. Like,
What's in my cup?
maybe I don't drink enough. I don't know, but I just don't be getting drunk, you know?
Shit, I'm drunk as fuck.
But anyway, we on our way. Well, yeah, we on our way to the stadium right now. After the stadium, we don't know if we're going out because the traffic is going to be crazy.
They got a house party at the cottages, though.
They got a house party. So maybe.
I don't even care, bro. I already paid for a ticket, but I don't even care.
Exactly, that's what I'm
I
saying.
really don't, like.
I would rather go to the cottages because at least you know you're gonna get in. If you go to a club, they be holding the line. You don't get in until 1 o'clock.
And they go charge your ass.
Don't be whistling. But yeah, we on our way. So I'm gonna hit y'all whenever we get there. Hey y'all. So why this got into the game without a ticket? Y'all. So okay, she came to the gate and I was giving her my card so she could get back into my room. The woman turns around and it's like, where you going? Right. So then she told her, you know, like she didn't have no ticket or whatever, and the woman got her in. Yes, bitch. How lit is that? Go fucking Tigers. Go fucking Tigers.
Present to you the 2018 Louisiana State University Tiger Marching Band.
Y'all, we are not doing too good right now. The score is 16-0.
Tiger Athletic Foundation and the donors of the team behind the Tigers.
I guess we'll see how this goes. So you guys, we left the game when we missed the. Oh Lord, I got some on my lip. When we missed that field goal, my pressure went up and I had to leave. Like I had to. So I guess we not being Bama this year. When you think it's gonna happen?
We gonna drop the Radiance, of course.
Bowl game, here we come. Yeah. Hey y'all.
Take a look.
We going out.
The toothpaste then fell off the towel. Look at. We didn't plan on staying the night, but things happen. Shut up.
You weren't listening either. That was my face.
Man, I want to hit that, man.
I had a whole nother, and I had said that I had a whole nother shower in there.
It's Sunday.
Can I get a towel? Oh, somebody calling me. Hold on. Somebody calling me.
It's like this every day with you. Like I'm not doing this, motherfucker. Okay, shut up. Bitch, shut up. Like, is you gonna fight or what? Cause you always talking to me. Do you want to do something with me? Yes, no. Okay, then shut up. Oh, thank you. All that you want to, but bitch, you ever do nothing. Thank you. And down. Dismiss. What? Oh, I think I said too much. What you say? I said. What you say about J. Corn? What you say about J. Corn? I think he like me.
Not the rolling of the eyes.
Go on, shit on me. I know you. Girl, no, you thought you think you ain't gonna do nothing. I'm right here in your room. Eat your paint. And you throw my stuff on the ground. I knew you was holding out. I knew.
Hey guys, so I forgot to close out the vlog, but if you did watch it, thank you so much. The Bama game was so fun despite the fact that we lost. And I know I said it in the intro, but I'm going to say it again in the outro. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next one.